Welcome to Whova's sponsor guide. Thanks for agreeing to sponsor an event. We all know that events are great ways to increase brand awareness, to market products, and get leads. Whova helps amplify all the different sponsorship benefits that you get from events, regardless of whether it's an in-person or a virtual event. Here are some of the ways that Whova can help you reap the benefits of your event sponsorship. For example, as a sponsor, your brand will be displayed on banners across multiple locations on the mobile and web apps. Your banner will be found on places such as the event home screen, at the bottom of each session, and in the attendee profiles. In the web app, your brand will be constantly shown at the top of the screen. All of these provide great opportunities for exposure. You'll also get your own booth to showcase your company. In this booth, you can add company videos, handouts, and even live showcases so that your attendees can get to better know your company without you even being there. In addition, you can chat with attendees using our chat function. Once attendees sign up for deals or request more info, you'll be able to automatically receive their information. Here are some examples of sponsors who have used Whova to further gain brand exposure. The sponsors of the Birmingham Homeschool Fair were able to get incredible returns on their investment. Their sponsor banners were viewed over 10,000 times, and they were able to generate 355 leads. Here we have another example of a very successful event. The Glow 2020 conference had over 80 sponsors, such as Shell, Coca-Cola, National Geographic, and much more. These sponsors got over 1 million sponsor impressions throughout the event. And you can get the most out of your sponsorship too. We'll now take this time to go over all the different steps in setting up your sponsor profile and booth in Whova. In this video, we'll be going over how to add your company logo, videos, handouts, live showcases, and any other information you'd want to include in your booth. We'll now show you how you can set up the booth profile through either an online form or through the web app. Let's get you started out with setting up your sponsor profile via an online form. At this point, you should have received an email from your event organizer with the event link. If the organizers don't send out the link, you may wait until the app is published and upload the information in the web app. Clicking on it should lead you to the Edit Booth page, where you can start filling out your company details. Additionally, you can also go straight into your profile in Whova to edit your sponsor booth. First, sign into your event. Be sure to use the email that you use to register as a sponsor. Once you're in the home page, click on the Sponsors tab. And once you're there, find your company name and click the Edit button. Doing that should lead you to the same page, where you can begin editing your sponsor booth. Now you'll get the chance to fill out your profile. First things first, be sure to add a logo. The recommended image dimensions are 700 pixels by 210 pixels. Let's continue filling out your profile. Add contact information, a company URL, the company address, a slogan, and finally a company description. Next, we have the company showcase section. In this section, you can add things like company handouts and company videos. To add a video, click the Add Company Video option. You'll have the option to upload a video file from a video link, like a video URL from YouTube or Vimeo. And if your organizer allows you, you can upload a video from your local computer or from a cloud drive. Next, you can add company handouts. Click the Upload PDF file button and fill out things like a title and description for your handout. Choose a file and then click Save to finish uploading your handout. You can choose up to 2 handouts with a maximum 10 megabyte file size limit. Finally, we'll end by demonstrating how to add a live showcase. Click Add Live Showcase, and then you'll have the option of either choosing an in-person booth showcase or a virtual one. If you're adding an in-person booth showcase, simply fill in a title, location, and a date and time for your showcase. If you're creating a virtual showcase, simply put in a title, a live showcase link, and a streaming time. We'll now take this time to go over some frequently asked questions. The first question that we have is, why can't I edit my company information on the web app? Please make sure that you've logged in with the email that you used to register as a sponsor. The next question we have is, how do I make my logo look better? For the best looking logo, you'll want to set its dimensions to be 700 pixels by 210 pixels. Finally, we have the question on how to add your sponsor logo to specific sessions. In order to do this, simply ask your event organizer to add your logo into the session description. And that's it for our sponsor guide. And if you want to learn more about using Whova as an attendee, you can refer to our attendee guide. If you're an exhibitor or speaker, you can check out these following guides. Thanks again for tuning into our video. We hope you learned all the different ways that you can leverage Whova for your next sponsored event.